I wanted to share with you today two of the most common errors that I see when people try out foam rolling. The first error is choosing a foam roller that's not compatible with your body. So if you're the kind of person who is more fragile, maybe has very low bone density, is very sensitive to pressure, you don't want a firm roller like this. You want something that has compressive give, and you'll notice here, I can bend this roller. I cannot with the firm roller. It does not bend. So if you find yourself going to a massage therapist and saying, lighten up, you want a lighter, soft roller. If you are the kind of person who's like, oh, give it to me deep, give it harder, deeper pressure, please, then you want the firm roller. The second error that I see a lot with foam rolling is people go too fast. So as an example, if they're rolling out their upper back, they are going back and forth like this, and that does not allow the pressure to create benefit. So if you think about it this way, if you're ironing a shirt and you're going really fast, the wrinkles aren't going to come out because you're missing the combination of pressure and that slow movement to ease the wrinkles. It's the same with your tissue, with your fascia, with your muscles. You want to go very slowly on the roller to create lubrication, to create fascial glide between your tissues. So join me every Wednesday at 12 noon to promote self-care and self-repair.